Hello everyone. In the last video, we are discussing about the operators in C#. So in the last video, we have discussed about what is in by operand, what is in by operator, how many types of operators are there, what we are going to do with the operators in our program. Everything we have discussed right now. Here, now we will discuss about arithmetic operators like addition. For doing addition, we will use the symbol plus. How the compiler knows? Because already whenever this particular symbol is appeared in your program, what needs to be done? The processor can do that particular task, right? So and then here we are going to discuss about this arithmetic operators now. So arithmetical operators can be used only on numeric data. It may be float or it may be integer. Okay, now. So now the first symbol which is plus the first operator. So this operator already we know from our childhood onwards, this operator is used to perform which operation? Addition. Perform addition operation. Okay. So how many data values this operator needs? So if we consider this operator as a binary, it requires to basically it is a binary operator. This same operator can be considered as a unary operator also. In the last class we discussed that. Okay, then here the thing. Okay, let us declare two variables int a equal to sum 10 and int b equal to sum 20. Okay, so here I wanted to perform addition. So console dot right line a plus b. I am performing which operation? Addition. Okay. And then in the same way, I will perform subtraction also. For performing subtraction, what is the operator that we are using? This it is called as a subtraction operator. A minus b. And then for multiplication, which operator we are using? Star, which is used to perform multiplication operation. Okay. And then, so I will perform division. Okay, a by b. To perform division, we are using slash. After that, to get the remainder of the division, we are using a modulus b. Now, here, division is going to perform complete division, but modulus cannot perform the complete division. So, for example, if we consider, I am going to divide 3 by 2. What exactly we will say? So 2 can divide 3 one time, and after that we will place a decimal point. After that we'll consider this one 1.5. Generally we will say the result 1.5 after completion of the division part. Which operator I am considering here? Modulus, right? So modulus operator is used to get the remainder of the division. Okay, right. So here modulus operator is going to perform. Now what we are doing? Divide 3 with 2. Divide this 3 with 2. Okay, come here. Okay, we have 3. And then divide this 2 with divide this 3 with 2. Okay. So how many times? 2 can divide this 3 means only one time. It will perform only the integer division. Modulus will perform only integer division. Okay, now. So what is 3 minus 2? 1. So now here this is 1 is the remainder. The result what you will get 1 as the remainder. Okay. So then this is what the modulus operator will give. Okay. Finally, I wanted to observe the result means console dot. We can use read method. Now execute your program. Now I can see here what we performed. A plus B, A is 10, B is 20. Okay, 30. A minus B, A is 10. 10 minus 20, the result is minus 1. A into B, 200. But you know, observe A by B, the result is 0. The result is 0. So because now you perform here, why we got the 0 result? So wait a minute. So now what we did here, A by B means 10 by 20 you are performing. Okay. Okay, now divide this 10 with 20. How many times it can divide? No. So 0. 20 into 0, 0. Then here we will make 10. So what is the remainder? Sorry, what is the result? 0. What is the remainder? 10. Now you can observe the result is when you use the modulus operator, what is the result? 10. 10 is the remainder. Just now we performed it. And result of the division is 0. Okay. So, but here I don't want, see, now you need to understand one important point here. Whenever you are taking two operands which are integers, and whenever you are going to perform division of these two integer numbers, the result will be integer only. Generally, the division operator is going to give you result depends on the operands which you use. If both are integer types, you will get the integer result. Okay, now what I am doing here, what I am doing, I will convert this as 10.0 and 10.0, I will consider it as double. Okay, now with this, execute your program again. Okay, this time you observe the result we got 0.5. However, the remainder is 10. But no, now you observe the result which came from the division operator is 0.5. Operator is 0.5 because if we want to get the result in floating point format, we can take the numbers in floating point format. Okay. Otherwise, what I am going to do here, I am going to keep the data type for the a variable is int. I am going to store the 10 only, but I wanted to get the result of the division in float format. So now you can specify explicit conversion. I want the result in floating point format because the division operator is going to give you integer result. And I wanted to consider that result in the floating point format. So that's why what I did here, I consider the result means explicit conversion. Explicitly, I'm converting it to float. Now with this, execute the program. Okay, now you can able to observe the result as 0.5. At starting, when you executed the program without explicit, the result we got as 0. Now we are getting 0.5. So with this, you can able to get the accurate means whatever the result you require by using explicit conversion in the case of a division operator. Okay, so these are the operators which we will use to perform arithmetic operations in C#. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about the assignment operators.